exploring the meaning behind dark path. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, dark path. This phrase is quite common in English literature and everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in different contexts. So, let's dive in. The phrase, dark path, combines two words: dark, which means having very little light, making it difficult to see, and path, which refers to a way or track laid down for walking or made by continual treading. When we put these words together, we get a path that is dark. Perhaps a trail through a forest at night, or an alleyway with no streetlights. More often, dark path is used in a figurative sense. Here, dark refers to something that is morally wrong, harmful, or foreboding, while path represents a person's journey or direction in life. So, a dark path, in this context, means a dangerous or unethical course in life that someone might be on. For example, if someone says, "He's going down a dark path," they mean that the person is making choices that could have negative consequences, possibly involving crime, drugs, or other harmful activities. Now that we understand what dark path means, let's see how to use it in sentences. She realized she was on a dark path and decided to turn her life around. The movie depicts the protagonist's journey down a dark path of addiction. His friends were worried that he was choosing a dark path and tried to help him. In all these examples, dark path is used to describe a negative and potentially harmful direction in someone's life. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, dark path. We've explored its literal and figurative meanings, and we've seen how it can be used in sentences. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and understanding phrases like this can really help you express yourself clearly and understand others better. We hope you found this video helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy learning, everyone!